Hello, everyone. My name is Lindsay Klein, and I am content team leader here at Robotel. And just wanted to pop by to give you some exciting news that we are done with our A2 listening and speaking supplemental curriculum for you. This is for German and Spanish languages, and we couldn't be more excited than to tell you a little bit about this book and the hub and how you're going to be able to use it with your students. So there are over 300 activities ready to go, ready for you to assign. More than half of those are auto-graded. So that means that at a click of a button, you'll be able to assign them to your students. And then when they submit their work, they will be able to open the activity again and will get immediate feedback on the things that they need to focus on. So they'll be able to ask you more concrete questions about what they're struggling with. And then you'll be able to use more time to focus on grading the things that really need your expertise. So of those activities, we have 225 of them that are listening activities, 200 of them are speaking activities. If you add those up, it obviously doesn't add up to what I told you, over 300. That's 400 activities, but what that means is some of them are both listening and speaking. So really getting good at helping your students with conversations, comprehension, pronunciation, where they have to listen to an input and then give some sort of an output. I cannot express the changes that I saw in my students when I was using SmartClass. I only wish that Robotel would have had content when I was in the classroom. So for us as language teachers to be able to come together as a team and create all of these activities for you to assign at the click of a button to your students, we could not be more excited to reach more and more students and help change the way that they're learning languages. It's interactive, it's fun and engaging, and we hope that you love the time-saving aspects, and we hope that your students love how engaged and reflective they can be with their language. We hope that this message finds you well and that you are enjoying using our content as much as we enjoyed creating it, or that you're thinking about giving it a chance. Take care.